The American Premier League is promoting cricket in United States, and many of cricketers from different nations are going to be a part of this league. Cricket lovers are waiting to watch thrilling match between traditional rivals Pakistan and India. Now APL is moving forward and Premium English team has launched in ceremony held in Connecticut. They introduced new talent and hired English and Australian coaches to train their players. Honor of English Premium Team Victoria Morgan, Chief Selector, team's owner, players and other members of the community attended the launching ceremony. Senior players of other countries including Pakistan made this event very special. The grand opening ceremony of American Premier League will be held on 13 September, but zeal and fervor of APL not only capture the cricket lovers but also boost their excitement, and that's the reason of speedy sales of tickets at website of American Premier League. ARY North America chapter is the title sponsor and brand ambassador of the APL. Chief Operating Officer Asif Jamal urged the people from all sectors must promote cricket in United States.
Thank you very much, Victoria, for arranging such an amazing event on such a short notice. So the idea was very simple. American Premier League is the next level of cricket in America. And I'm very happy to also say it once again that this whole thing was created by my friend Jay. And we started talking, and I believed in everybody he said. His passion to cricket motivated me, and now we're part of this whole thing. And when I assumed the title of the president of this league, I said, what we have to do it together to ensure that this league becomes the league of the US, provide a platform for all the cricket lovers. Victoria Morgan for two things: her organizing such a beautiful event, and this is her official team launch event. So this is her event. She is the host, she is the organizer, and she is the proud team owner of American Premier League. And she's got one of the best teams, of course. She is the owner of the English team here. And of course, you know, English and Australia, we're going to have fun round right here. I'm also very privileged to see our team owner from Pakistan, Ali, is here. And we're missing the two team owners, but they could not be here, but they are here with us, of course.
Got the Australian up there too.
Australians, well, welcome. Very pleased to see you right there. But then again, see me from the APL, you would rather hear from the team owner, fellow team owner for you. And good to see you, by the way. It's nice to meet you virtually. So I'm going to pass on and move on rather quickly. And because we've got one team owner here, so I would like to take the privilege of inviting him, Ali, the Pakistani team owner of American Premier League.
Speaking at the event honor of APL, Mr. J. Mir highlighted the goal of this event. He shared his observation about youngsters, those engrossed in digital world, and show his will to engage youth in physical activities.
Don't leave yet because we have a lot of entertainment to follow. Once again, I want to thank everybody who has joined me in this wonderful cause, especially team owner Ali, Victoria, Lauren from Australia, Shaftab from England. We are on a very successful path with American Premier League. We have very strong individuals, and especially I would like to thank Mr. Asif Jamal, who has joined hands with us as our title sponsor. He is the COO of ARY Digital, again, which is one of the best news channels in Southeast Asia. So a big round of applause for Mr. Asif. Thank you, Asif.
Honor of Premium English team Victoria Morgan introduced the Australian team owner and thanked the attendees while she was called on stage. While talking to Voice of South Asia, Morgan said that it is an honor for her to be a part of APL. She disclosed that 7 more players from England are joining her team.
I came on board with this journey with American Premier League because I was enamored with the sport of cricket growing up. I became in love with cricket through my travels through Southeast Asia and England, and this is why I purchased the cricket. And I love American Premier League's concept of bringing cricket to America on this large scale. It's bringing the diverse expat communities together, like the Indians, the Pakistanis, the Windies, the Bengalis, the Aussies, and the English, and an American team to play here on a scale that it's never been done before. It's a historic tournament. So I'm very excited to join forces with American Premier League.
Later on, Jay Mir elaborated the evolutionary journey of APL and invited the chief selector of Zalbert on stage to brief about trials of players and selection process.
This is the first time in American history we are purely looking for the American grassroots level cricket talent. Most of the time people go abroad and find that overseas professional, they come here, play and then go away. But this time, Mr. Jay and Mr. Muhammad Ali, especially Mr. Jay who won this league, they put the great initiative for the American cricketers, and we are working very closely on them. So far we did 2 phases.
The premium English team player shown expression of confidence at APL. While talking to Vosa, he said APL will play an effective role not only to introduce new talent but also divert the attention of young generation towards cricket.
I'm one of the players for the premium English team. I was born in Staten Island and was raised there. And I first got introduced to cricket when I went on vacation to England and saw it played in a park, and then that grew my interest and started watching it on YouTube. And it's a great opportunity to have cricket in America and help it grow the sport, because it's a really great sport, and I think Americans would love it.
Young cricketer Ismail D'Souza belongs to Sri Lanka, but he is a part of the Indian team. Ismail D'Souza enthusiastic to perform in the APL league.
I'm from Sri Lanka, but I got an opportunity to represent Indian cricket team in APL. So I'm very excited to be a part of American Premier League and representing India.
Pakistani American Murad Niazi is a part of Team Parks. His father used to play first-class cricket in Pakistan, and this motivates Murad to be a cricketer.
मेरे डैड भी बहुत बिग इन्फ्लुएंस थे मेरे लाइफ में, आज तक भी हैं. उनकी वजह से मैंने क्रिकेट शुरू की है. वो पाकिस्तान में भी फर्स्ट क्लास खेलते रहे. वही मेरे कोच ही, आप समझें कोच ही हैं. तो क्रिकेट इस तरह की चीज़ कभी हट सकती नहीं ज़िंदगी से, इस तरह की चलती रहेगी. तो मैं पाकिस्तान टीम का बड़ा खुश हूँ कि रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ. राइट आर्म पेसर हूँ, लेफ्ट हैंड बैट्समैन. तो होपफुली जो टूर्नामेंट आ रहा है, सब जो प्लेयर आए हुए हैं यहाँ पे, उनके लिए सब अच्छा है. एंड आई विश एवरीवन द बेस्ट.
A West Indian player, Riyad Amrit, also playing the APL. He told to Vosa that cricket is his passion.
I'm from Trinidad and Tobago in the Caribbean, and my passion has always been to play cricket. So I'll just like to give my best at the APL, and hopefully, the West Indies team can come out victorious.
Raisul Islam belongs to Bangladesh cricket team. While talking to Vosa, he said that the first season of APL would see many thrilling matches.
I'm from Connecticut. I'm very excited to be a part of American Premier League. And I am very happy that I got selected. And I think this tournament is going to be huge. And I'm very excited to tell that I'm going to represent Bangladesh. So hopefully this season will be very exciting. Thank you.
This event was specially organized for the Premier English team. American Blacks, including other exhibits, a belly dance performance, and it was widely liked by the audience. To buy tickets, visit the APL website www.americanpremierleague.org and book your ticket now. For further information, you can contact at given phone number 914-340-1127.